How to put a stop to your dog's digging habit. Step 1. Understanding why they're doing it in the first place. Observe when and where your dog digs. Step 2. Ensure that your dog is getting enough exercise and mental stimulation. Step 3. Instead of trying to suppress your dog's digging, consider providing them with a designated digging area. Step 4. Employ various deterrents to discourage this behavior if your dog continues to dig in non-permitted areas. Step 5. Supervise your dog when they're outdoors and intervene promptly if they start to dig inappropriately.